Hello students, welcome to my channel Rishit Academy. So this is the continuation of my previous video for inter first year chapter called matrices. In this video I will be solving few very important problems from your textbook. Okay, so this is my first problem. If here he gave two matrices, right, and he is asking us to find the values of x, y, z and a. So if you observe, he is saying these two matrices are equal, right? So equal means, right, their corresponding elements are also equal. What is the meaning of equal means? Their corresponding elements will be equated, right? Simply we'll equate the corresponding elements and we'll find the values of x, y, z and a, right? So here I wrote the given two matrices and now I should equate the first element from this matrix is equal to the first element of this matrix. So means x minus 3 is equal to 5. Then what is the value of x? 5 plus 3, that is x equal to 8. Similarly, second element 2y minus 8 equal to 2, right? Then 2y is equal to 2 plus 8. Then this minus 8 goes that side, will become plus 8. Then y equal to how much? 8 plus 2 plus 8 is 10 divided by 2, isn't it? Then what is the value of y? Y is equal to 5. Similarly, third element should be equated with third element of the other matrix, right? Z plus 2 is equal to minus 2 means what? Z equal to how much? Minus 2, again minus 2. So therefore Z equal to minus 4. When both have same signs, we should add those signs, right? So Z value is minus 4. Similarly, last fourth element we should equate with this fourth element of the other matrix, right? So 6 equal to a minus 4. Means what is the value of a? Simply bring this minus 4 this side, then it will become a 6 plus 4 is equal to a. Therefore a equal to how much? 10. Right? That's all. We finish this first problem. X equal to 8, y equal to 5, z equal to minus 4 and a equal to 10. Right, now we'll solve the next problem. We'll do the next problem. Here he gave two matrices and asking us to find 3b minus 2a. Right, so these are the two given matrices and he's asking us to find 3b minus 2a. Right, so I already explained in my first video how to do scalar multiplication, right? Here 3 is my scalar quantity and b is my matrix, right? Given matrix. Similarly 2 into a I should do, right? So first we'll find 3b value. 3b means 3 into matrix b. What is the matrix b values? 3, 2, 1 and 1, 2, 3. Okay. So if I multiply this element, scalar multiplication, what I get? 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Similarly 1 3s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So this is my matrix 3b. Okay. Similarly we will find 2a value. So 2 into matrix A, that is 1 2 3 and 3 2 1. This is matrix A. Now we should multiply that 2 with each and every element of matrix A. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4 and again 2 ones are 2. Okay, this is my matrix 2A. Now what we should find? 3B minus 2A. Chalo, now we'll find 3B minus 2A. Right, so what is the 3B? 3B value of 3B matrix? Here we 9, 6, 3, 3, 6, 9. Right, minus, what is 2A matrix value? 2, 4, 6 and 6, 4, 2. Now simply we should subtract the corresponding elements. Okay, so first 9 minus 2, then 6 minus 4, then 3 minus 6. Similarly 3 minus 6, then 6 minus 4, then 9 minus 2. Okay, corresponding elements. First minus first, second element minus second element, third minus third, right? Now, what I'll get? 9 minus 2 is 7, 6 minus 4 is 2, here I'll get minus 3, 3 minus 6 is minus 3, here minus 3 again, here 6 minus 4 is 2 and 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, so this is the final answer. Now we will do the next problem. See here he gave a matrix A and we gave one condition A square will be equal to 0 matrix, that is null matrix. Then we should find the value of K. So how to find that? See here one condition, right? A square is equal to 0 matrix. So first we will find A square. So how to find A square? A square can be written as A into A, isn't it? So this is multiplication of two matrices. So A 1, 2, 4 minus 1 K into again same matrix 2, 4 minus 1 K. Right? So I have explained this how to multiply in my previous video. So see here, simply this first row of first matrix multiplied with the first column of second matrix, right? So 2 into 2 plus this 4 into minus 1, right? Now the same 2 into 4 plus 4 into this K, 2 into 4 plus again 4 into this K, right? Similarly this complete row I should multiply with this column one time, again this complete row I should multiply with this column again, right? So minus 1 into 2 plus K into minus 1. Similarly minus 1 into 4 then plus K into K. Okay, now we will simplify this. 2 2s are 4, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, here 2 4s are 8, plus 4 into K is 4K, here minus 2 minus K, here minus 4 plus K into K is K square, right? So what is 4 minus 4 is 0. Here I will get same 8 plus 4K. Here it will be minus 2 minus K as it is, and here also minus 4 plus K square. So this is my final A square matrix value. This he is saying equal to zero matrix means order you should take same. Zero matrix here, you have 2 cross 2 matrix, therefore you should take null matrix of order is 2 cross 2. Now equal means what? The corresponding elements will be equal. So take any corresponding element and equate it, find the value of 0. So we will take better this one. So minus 2 minus k is equal to 0, right? So minus 2 minus k, this third element I am equating with this third element, right? Minus 2 minus k equal to 0 means, so k equal to how much? K equal to minus 2. So this is the value of k. Okay, now we will do the next problem. See, in this he gave two matrices of order 3 cross 3. So matrix A is of order 3 cross 3 as well as matrix B is of order 3 cross 3, and he's asking us to check whether commutative law is applicable for these two matrices in multiplication. We should check whether A into B is equal to B into A or not, right? So first of all, to do multiplication we should check the order. See here, the first matrices column should be equal to second matrices row, right? Then only it is applicable to do multiplication, matrix multiplication. If you observe here, 3 is equal to 3, therefore yes, we can do multiplication on this matrices. So first we will find AB, so A into B, right? So see here, how we will do that? It's very simple. First you fix this first row of first matrix and multiply with each element of the second matrices. See here, so first 1 into 1 is 1, then plus 2 into minus 2 into 0 is 0 only, plus 0, then 3 into 1 is plus 3, okay, right? Similarly, how to get this second element? Same, fix this first row and multiply the second column elements. So 1 into 0 is 0, then plus minus 2 ones is minus 2, then 3 into 2 is plus 6. Now the last element, 1 into 2 is 2, then minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, then plus 3 into 0 is 0, right? Similarly, how to get this second row elements means you should fix this second row and multiply with each column elements. So 2 into 1 is 2, then 3 into 0 is plus 0, then minus 1 into minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Similarly, 2 into 0 is 0, then 3 into 1 is plus 3, then minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Last, 2 into 2 is 4, then 3 into 2 is plus 6, minus 1 into 0 is 0. Similarly, the third row elements, same, fix this third row elements and multiply with each column elements. So minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, then 1 into 0 is plus 0, then 2 into 1 is plus 2, then minus 3 into 0 is 0, then 1 into 1 is 1, then 2 into 2 is plus 4. Last, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6, then 1 into 2 is plus 2, then 2 into 0 is 0. Okay, now simplify this, we will get the value of AB. Okay, AB is equal to how much? 1 plus 3 is 4, minus 2 plus 6 is again 4, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, here 2 minus 1 is 1, here 3 minus 2 is 1, here 4 plus 6 is 10, then last minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, and here 1 plus 4 is 5, and last minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So this is the value of AB. Chalo. Now we will do B cross B into A. See here, same thing. This first row of B column row should be multiplied with the first column of A, right? So 1 into 1 is 1, 0 into 2 is 0, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, right? So similarly with second column now, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, 0 into 3 is 0, 2 into 1 is plus 2, right? Similarly with third column, 1 into 3 is 3, 0 into minus 1 is 0, 2 into 2 is plus 4, right? Now, how to get this second row elements? For that we should fix this second row and multiply with each column of the other matrix, right? So 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is minus 6, 2 into minus 3 is there, na? Therefore I got minus 6. Similarly, 0 into minus 2 is 0, 1 into 3 is 3, 2 into 1 is plus 2, right? So 0 into 3 is 0, right? 1 into 1 is minus 1, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 2 into 2 is 4. Similarly, this last rows, we should fix the last rows elements and say multiply with each column of the other matrix, right? So 1 into 1 is 1, 2 2 is 4, so 0 into 3 is 0, right? So 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, 2 into 3 is plus 6, 0, again 3, minus 2, 0. If you add this, you will get this minus 5, 0, 7, minus 4, 5, 3 and 5, 4, 1. So if you observe, this is not equal to AB, right? Therefore, the commutative law does not exist for this matrix. AB is not equal to BA. That's it. Okay. Okay, now we'll do the next problem. Here he gave two matrices. Here he didn't give any numbers, he gave just variables, and is asking us to find A cross B, A multiplied by B, right? So first of all we should check whether it is possible to do the multiplication. For that we need to check their order. See, first matrix order is 3 cross 3 and the second matrix order is also 3 cross 3. The first matrix column number of columns is equal to second matrix number of rows. So that is equal, therefore we can do multiplication on these two matrices, right? So A cross B first. See what I said first, fix this row and multiply each element of this column, right? So now 0 into A square is 0, C into AB is ABC plus then minus B into AC is minus ABC, right? So similarly now multiply with this second column. So 0 into AB is 0 itself, C into B square is plus B square C, so minus B into BC is minus B square C. Similarly with third column, 0 into AC is 0 itself, C into BC is BC square and minus B into C square is minus B square. Similarly second row, now you fix the second row and multiply with these three columns, right? So minus C into A square is minus A square C, 0 into AB is 0 itself, A into AC is A square C. Similarly minus C into AB is minus ABC, 0 into B square is 0, A into BC is ABC, right? C into AC is AC square, minus AC square, then 0 into BC is 0, A into CC square is AC square. Similarly, last row, fix this and multiply with this 3 columns. So B into A square is A square B. Second one, minus A square into AB is, sorry, minus A into AB is A square B. So 0 into AC is 0 itself. B into AB is AB square, minus A into B square is minus AB square, then 0 into BC is 0 itself. Then last one, B into AC is ABC, minus A into BC is minus ABC, then 0 into C square is 0. So if you observe, here I have plus ABC and minus ABC gets cancelled. I'll get 0 here also. 0 plus B square C and minus B square C gets cancelled, 0, and this is also 0. So everything will get cancelled and I'll get all zeros, that is nothing but a null matrix. So finally the answer of A cross B is 0 0 0 0 0 0, right? So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends, and don't forget to write the comments if you have any doubts. Okay, thanks for watching my video.